Namaste, beautiful yogis, and welcome to day 8, Rise and Shine 30-day morning yoga journey. Today is a good day to celebrate. Life shouldn't only be lived, it should be celebrated. Today we take time to celebrate our lives. Ready? Let's celebrate. Let's begin our practice all the way standing in front of our mat. Bring your feet to touch, plug the hands into your heart. Lengthen out of your crown, close your eyes, tune inward. Feel your heart pumping for you. You are alive. Today, I take time to celebrate. Today, I celebrate my life. Take a breath in and release your intention to the universe. Now open your eyes, hop your feet into hip distance apart, and give yourself a little dance. I know it might feel silly, but it makes you feel good. Celebrate, give yourself a little dance. Celebrate. Dum-ba-dum-ba-dum. All right, that's enough. Hop your feet back in and let's salute the sun, salute our day. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up, mountain pose. Exhale, cactus the arms, shine the heart, find a back bend. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, ground your hands, step your feet to the back of your mat, find plank pose. Begin to lower halfway or all the way, chaturanga. Finding cobra or upward facing, inhale. Downward facing, exhale. Take a moment here to explore your first downward facing dog for this day. Celebrating each and every sensation, celebrating the ability to breathe and feel. Find stillness. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step or hop your feet in between your hands. Inhale, halfway, long spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up, mountain pose. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Inhale, reach the arms up, moving one breath, one movement. Exhale, cactus your arms, shine your heart. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, fold, Uttanasana. Inhale, halfway lengthen. Exhale, your choice of vinyasa, step or hop back, lower halfway or all the way. Cobra or up dog. Inhale. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Right away, inhale, look up. Exhale, step or hop your feet in between your hands. Lengthen, breathe in. Fold, breathe out. Inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, hands to heart. One more flow. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, open your heart. Inhale, sweep up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway, engage your core. Exhale, vinyasa of your choice, step or hop back. Find your vinyasa. Upward facing, inhale. Downward facing, exhale. Take a breath in and out. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step or hop your feet in between your hands. Full breath in, long spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Bend your knees, sink your bum low. Sweep the arms overhead. Good. Breathe in. Go deeper as you breathe out. Inhale, come up, draw the right knee into the chest. And as you exhale, float the foot all the way back. Find warrior three. Pause for a moment. Find lots of engagement in every single muscle here. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, we're gonna land into warrior one. Soften that left knee, landing the right foot to the back of your mat. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And as you exhale, sink nice and deep, square your hips. Full cycle of breath. Inhale, open up, warrior two. Exhale, sink nice and low. Reach through the fingers. As you inhale, straighten that left leg. Sweep the arms overhead. Exhale, back to warrior two. Go deeper. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, sink low. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, sink low. Next inhale, reverse warrior. Left arm overhead. Keep pressing that left knee forward. Exhale, extended side angle. Left forearm to your left thigh. Right arm across your ear line. Lengthen out of your waist. Inhale back to reverse warrior. Stay low in your lunge. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale back to reverse warrior. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, warrior two. Next inhale, back to warrior one. You're gonna pivot and square the hips to the front. Send the arms back behind you, interlock all 10 fingers. Exhale. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, humble warrior. Drop your left shoulder inside your left knee. Relax and celebrate that burning sensation in your left quad. Feels good. You are burning, you are alive. Breath in and out. Let go of your grip. Ground your right hand down. Come on the ball of your right foot, and then we're gonna step that left foot all the way behind. Flip over, find wild thing. Inhale, open your heart. And as you exhale, let's take a vinyasa. Plank pose, lower halfway, chaturanga. Up dog, inhale. Pause here. We will make our way back to chaturanga. So tuck your toes under, rebend those arms. Inhale, prince plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a cleansing in breath and let it out. I celebrate my life. Inhale, look up. Exhale, step or hop your feet in between your hands. Halfway to lengthen, breathe in. Bow over your legs, breathe out. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Sink nice and low, arms overhead. Go deeper with your exhale. Next, inhale, left knee to your chest. Squeeze it in. And as you exhale, warrior three, float the foot back behind you. Bring the chest parallel to the earth. Pause here. Soften the breath, soften your gaze. Engage your core. Inhale. Exhale, landing to warrior one. Soften the right knee. Step the left foot to the back of your mat. Inhale, sweep the arms up. And as you exhale, sink nice and deep. Square the hips. Work that right hip back, left hip forward, and lengthen your tailbone down to the mat. Breathe in. Warrior two. As you breathe out, open the arms up to shoulder height and bring that right knee over your right ankle. Inhale, lift up, straighten the leg, arms overhead. Exhale, rebend into that right knee, sink low. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, back to warrior two. One more, inhale. Exhale, pause. Inhale, reverse warrior. Right arm overhead. Nice body stretch. Exhale, extended side angle. Right elbow, right thigh. Left arm overhead. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, extended side angle. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, extended side angle. Ooh, can you feel that fire? Oh my gosh. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, pivot to the front. Warrior one, square the hips. And as you exhale, sweep the arms back behind you. Interlock all 10 fingers. Inhale, lift up your heart. Exhale, humble warrior. Right shoulder inside the right knee. Surrender, humble, and soften. Take a breath in and out. Let go of your grip. Ground your left hand. Come to the ball of your left foot and then step the right leg behind you. Flip your dog. Wild thing. Young, wild, and free. Inhale. Exhale. Take it through a vinyasa. High to low plank. Chaturanga. Up dog. Inhale. Pause. Back to chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Feel up. Let go. One more. Feel all the way up. And let it go. Now lower down your elbows to your mat. Dolphin pose. And walk your feet a little bit closer in. Opening our shoulders, going deeper to our hamstrings. Walk the feet all the way to the back of your mat, coming to forearm plank, dolphin plank. Just hold, hinge forward and back, forward and back. Fire up the shoulders. I take time to celebrate my life. Today I celebrate my life. Feet to touch, pivot the feet to the right. Sweep your left arm up. Lift your hips nice and high. Take a breath in and out. Back to forearm plank. Pivot the feet to the left. Sweep your right arm up. Breathe in and out. Back to forearm plank. Walk your feet in, make your way back to dolphin, and just hold here for 3 breaths. Then lower down to your knees, cross your ankles, and lower your bum all the way down to the mat. Sit nice and tall. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left, right hand outside of your left knee, gaze over your left shoulder, laying that up, go deeper with your twist. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, take it to the other side. Lengthen, look over your right shoulder, and twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. Bring the hands on top of your knees. Inhale, cast your heart forward. Exhale, lean back, chin to chest. Inhale, open. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale. Exhale, keep moving. Breathe in and out. In and out. Good. Make your way into neutral spine. Sit nice and tall. Close your eyes. Feel the heart pumping inside of your chest. Express gratitude for waking up today alive, healthy, full of fire. Breathe in with gratitude. Open mouth, side out. Today, I celebrate my life. I'm inviting you to take this practice of the mat with you as you're moving into your day. And take a moment to pause and celebrate all your accomplishment, from very little ones, like maybe washing your face, eating a healthy breakfast, for the big ones, things on your to-do list. Just take time to celebrate. Today, I take time to celebrate my life. Inhale, reach the arms up to the sky. Exhale, plug the hands to your heart. Applause to yourself. Awesome job, my friends. High five. How are you feeling? Like this video if you did enjoy the practice. Drop me a comment down below and let me know, what are you celebrating today? Maybe this practice that you woke up and no matter what, you showed up for yourself, you moved your body, and this is a good reason to celebrate your accomplishment. Thank you so much for tuning in, practicing with me. I wish you a beautiful day, lots of happy accomplishments from my heart to yours. I'll see you again tomorrow. Rise and shine. Namaste. Before you go, click here down below to be notified of every video I release during these 30 days and to receive absolutely free daily healthy breakfast recipes to complete your Rise and Shine morning routine. Also, click on this video right here to do a 5-minute guided meditation to enhance your self-awareness and lift your spirit. Namaste, and I'll see you tomorrow.